The pteridophytes include horsetails and ferns. Pteridophytes are used for medicinal purposes and as soil binders. They are also frequently grown as ornamentals. Evolutionarily, they are the first terrestrial plants to possess vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. You shall study more about these tissues in chapter 6. The pteridophytes are found in cool, damp, shady places, though some may flourish well in sandy soil conditions. You may recall that in bryophytes, the dominant phase in the life cycle is the gametophytic plant body. However, in pteridophytes, the main plant body is a sporophyte, which is differentiated into true root, stem, and leaves. These organs possess well differentiated vascular tissues. The leaves in Pteridophyta are small microphyls as in Selaginella or large macrophyls as in ferns. The sporophytes bear sporangia that are subtended by leaf-like appendages called sporophylls. In some cases, sporophylls may form distinct compact structures called strobili or cones in Selaginella and Equisetum. The sporangia produce spores by meiosis in spore mother cells. The spores germinate to give rise to inconspicuous, small but multicellular, free-living, mostly photosynthetic thalloid gametophyte called prothallus. These gametophytes require cool, damp, shady places to grow. Because of this specific restricted requirement and need for water for fertilization, spread of living pteridophytes is limited and restricted to narrow geographical regions. The gametophytes bear male and female sex organs called antheridia and archegonia respectively. Water is required for the transfer of antheridioids, the male gametes released from antheridia, to the mouth of archegonia. Fusion of male gametes with the egg present in the archegonium result in the formation of zygote. Zygote thereafter produces a multicellular well-differentiated sporophyte, which is dominant phase of pteridophytes. In majority of the pteridophytes, all the spores are of similar kinds. Such plants are called homosporous. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia, which produce two kinds of spores, macro large and micro small spores, are known as heterosporous. The megaspores and microspores germinate to give rise to female and male gametophytes respectively. The female gametophytes in these plants are retained on the parent sporophytes for variable periods. The development of the zygotes into young embryos takes place within the female gametophytes. This event is precursor to seed habit and considered an important step in evolution. The pteridophytes are further classified into 4 classes: Coelopsida, Lycopsida, Spanopsida, and Pteropsida. Examples of Coelopsida are Coelotum, Lycopsida, Selaginella and Lycopodium, Spanopsida, Equisetum, Pteropsida, Diopteris, Pteris and Adiantum. Let us look some examples of pteridophytes. First one is Selaginella. Look at these leaves, they are microphyls, small leaves. And remember, Selaginella is a heterosporous. Second one is an Equisetum. Equisetum contains strobilus, cone. Next, rhizome. Rhizome is a horizontal root. Third one is a fern. It contains macrophyls, large leaves. And D is a Salvinia. Remember, Salvinia and Selaginella both are heterosporous.